your doors and windows is DIY friendly and one of the most cost-effective ways to reduce your heating bills. Follow along so you can start sealing the right way the first time. Here's how. First things first, whether it's a window or a door, the steps are the same. Use a putty knife to remove old sealant and any loose particles. Next, grab a cloth to give the door a good clean. Now you can apply painter's tape to create a straight edge for your sealant. A long-lasting seal is key to keeping out water and air, so choose a waterproof, flexible, shrink-proof, and crack-proof silicone sealant. And if you're planning on freshening up your door or window frame, choose a sealant that's paintable. Begin with a small opening and cut more away if needed. Here are the top do's when it comes to sealing doors and windows. Holding your caulking gun at a 45-degree angle helps avoid any air bubbles, while continuous action results in a smoother finish. Oversealing can lead to big messes and a wonky-looking finish, so use a thin bead of sealant every time. Now you can simply smooth it out by running your finger along the bead. Don't forget, everything you do on the inside, you also do on the outside to ensure you get a great seal that locks out air and moisture. And when you're finished, be sure to cover the end of your caulking gun to stop it from drying out. All sealed. Now you get the best of both worlds. Great-looking doors and windows, plus lower heating costs. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, visit homehardware.ca.